Okay, our note slide. This is the slide for you to write down the big ideas from this lesson. So for me, the big ideas that I learned are that 1/4 of a turn, come on, 1/4 turn, 90 degrees. Half a turn, 180 degrees. 3/4 turn, 270 degrees. Another big idea for me is that after 180 degrees, the shape will be upside down. To me, the conjecture wasn't really a big deal. It wasn't really the biggest idea that I walked away with. It just says that the shapes or the points still have to be the same distance apart. But we've known that since lesson 1. So nothing really new in the conjecture. But this was my takeaway from this lesson. That's how I'm going to recognize. Oh, also a big idea is that the point of rotation is the point that doesn't move. That's probably, yeah, maybe the biggest takeaway is the point that doesn't move. You have to know what the point of rotation is in order to figure out if it moved 1/4, 1/2, or 3/4 of a turn. So these are my big ideas. This is what I'm going to use to show my work on the next slide for the exit ticket, so I don't have to go back through all of my slides. But hey, if you have to click back and look at examples, do that to make sure you're doing your exit ticket correctly. There's just 2 problems, and then I'm going to break those 2 problems down into probably 4 questions. So show your work thoroughly, and then you'll be ready to enter your answers onto your Google form.